Welcome back!
What?
Sa Eagle Rat and Rhythm, ha?
Panibago to. Kala
Bakit?
siguro nila tayo yung kakanta.
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi!
Parang trio tayo eh.
Oo.
Pero, siyempre, hindi. Meron tayong guest.
Alam mo kung sino yung guest natin.
Sige, pakilala mo.
Kung nanonood ka ng Dragon Ball, andun yun.
Ay, alam ko yun. Ganun yun
Pero
eh.
may ibang letter lang.
Napalitan?
Please welcome, Johan.
Bahak, ano si Golan? Ano ba yung Golan?
Johan.
Hello, Johan.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Johan. Welcome to Letters and Music.
Annyeong.
Anyong.
Ha?
What's Anyong?
Anyong.
Annyeong means hi in Korean.
Anyong.
Annyeong.
Can you greet our televiewers in Korean?
Yeah, please.
안녕하세요.
Ay, kimchi.
Anong size mo?
Ha?
Anong size mo?
8. 8.
So he's from Korea.
Yes, okay. Siyang kakanta para sa atin ngayon.
Oo. Alayin niya tayo ng mga awiting.
You could hardly speak Tagalog or any. Do you understand any Tagalog?
Oh, just the basic words.
The basic, like how basic it is. Like what?
Pogi kakuya.
Ay,
Ay.
siya lang?
Tingnan
How
mo.
about me?
Ang galing niya unang pagsabihan niya ako.
What is that word
okay.
again?
Handsome?
Thank
no,
you.
No.
Of course.
Pogi ka kuya, pogi ka tu.
Pogi ka
Pogi ka tu.
Bakit?
Dalawa tayo, tu.
Okay.
Diba?
Ikaw mas pogi.
Galing talaga nito. I love you, pare ko.
Sobrang pogi.
Well, okay, nakakatuwa. Mapapa-English tayo nito,
Of course, para naman
Okay.
din may pabago. So,
Okay.
Johan, how long have you been here in the Philippines?
Yep.
5 years already.
5 years, really long. So,
I see.
here in the Philippines, have you been singing here? Like,
Yes. Do you have any singing engagement or what?
Oh, not yet.
Not yet. But you've been singing for quite how long already?
Since I was young, like 12.
Aba, mahusay ito. Mahusay. Tagal na pala kumakanta na ito. Ayan, ha?
So,
Since 12.
what do you usually sing? Do you usually sing Korean songs or?
Yeah.
But now, OPM.
What?
Well, imagine, Korean tapos mag-OPM.
Korean na naging English.
Tapos
tapos
Korean
OPM ang kakantahin niya.
That is something to look forward to.
Panigurado yung mga
Okay.
creators yung music natin nagtitiriran.
Tingin ko dito sa pogi ito na Korean na OPM. What's your favorite OPM song?
Ako'y sayo.
Ako'y sa'yo.
Ako'y sa'yo. Ako'y sa'yo?
Okay.
Paano
Ako'y
yun?
sa'yo. Ako'y sa'yo.
Ano yun?
Ako'y sa'yo.
Oh.
Ako'y sa'yo.
Ah!
Nako, hindi ko napupuno. Mamaya na yan eh.
Akala ko, ako'y sa'yo.
So, Johan, do you
Yes.
like...
Yes.
Did you study your musicality? Did you
Yes.
enter the school for music?
A workshop, something like
workshop.
that.
I did before in Korea. Yeah.
Okay.
But not in here.
Do you play any instruments?
I play guitar.
The guitar. Nako.
Yes.
Tumutugtog gitara. Okay.
Susunod yan.
Speaking of Korea, do you know any Korean actor, actress, maybe, who is very popular in Korea?
Yes.
Who in particular?
Sandara Park.
Oh, Sandara Park, of course.
Very on, She's from the Philippines, and then
She
made it
started
big.
here in the Philippines.
She made it big
Yeah.
here in the Philippines, and
Yes.
then made it bigger
Who would ever
in
thought that, diba?
Korea. Okay. Do you know Dao Mingse?
That's Taiwanese, bro.
Ha? Ano ba yan?
Taiwan yan, bro.
Oo
Taiwan
nga
yan.
pala, sorry. Baka
Korea
alam
tayo,
niya eh.
Korea. Do you know Sai?
Of course.
Besides singing, what is your usually hobby? Do
Oh.
you like to dance? Do you act?
No, not really act. Just play guitar, play drums.
Are you like composing now?
Yeah.
Oh, not yet.
Oh,
But you will be?
But I want.
Oh.
If I have
If you are a
chance.
singer, who wouldn't like to compose or sing, or rather write a song, of course. Gusto rin
Who
gumawa
is
ng
your
kanta.
favorite OPM artist?
Like there are a lot, but like Ronnie Liang or
Ronnie Liang.
Oh, ngiti! Si Ronnie Liang.
Can you give us a sample of one of Ronnie Liang?
Wait a minute. Medyo kahawig niya si Ronnie Liang, pare. Look. Oh.
Aba, oo nga,
Diba? Ronnie Liang. Look alike, ha? Look. Oh.
Aba, you know?
See? Diba?
Tama,
Mas magandang
tama.
lalaki lang siya ng konti. You are pogier.
Pogier, you're pogiest. Okay, you're pogiest.
Okay. O sige. Nabanggit na natin ano popular na artist na Korea?
Favorite niya. Oo.
Favorite niya? Okay. Drama. In Korea. Movie.
Lee Min Ho.
Ano daw?
Yeah,
Lee Min-ho.
Yun yung si
Limino.
Dao Bingsu
Oh,
ng
yeah,
Korea.
kilala ko yun. Napakakuan dito. Parang pinanyata rito yun Limino.
So, ano ha? But anyway, so,
sige.
do you have upcoming shows here in the Philippines? Not yet, but do you have a social media that our viewers can follow and like?
True.
Yes.
Oh,
Please make
please
mention of
invite
that.
everybody to like and follow your social media accounts.
Okay. Please follow me in Facebook, Johan Huang, and Twitter, Johan_1127, Instagram, Johan1127. Thank you.
Oh.
You know, alam mo ba to?
Ano?
Sobrang
What?
curious na ako.
Bakit?
Sipin mo Korean. Nag-i-English.
Nag-English. Tapos kakantahin
Kakanta
niya.
ng OPM.
Something else pa.
Diba? Ikaw ba di ka na-excite?
Siyempre,
Ako
excited
na-excite
ako.
na eh. Pakilala na natin to.
Sige. Pakinggan na natin yung kanta niya. Johan, we will be introducing you and then sing and belt out the song. We would like to hear from you. Ano kanta niya? Ano, ballad ba to?
Ano to? Ako'y sa'yo. Parang acoustic.
Parang ba acoustic?
Oo.
Malupit
So
nito.
parang ano to? K-OPM acoustic.
Ako, galing nito. Sige.
Ayos.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to introduce to render us a song right here, syempre, to showcase his talent at Letters and Music sa Eagle Rock and Rhythm section ng Letters and Music. Ladies and gentlemen, Johan!
Johan.
Ikaw na ang may sabi na ako'y mahal mo rin, at sinabi mo ang pag-ibig mo'y di mapabago. Ngunit bakit sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit, ika'y lumalayo? Puso'y laging nasasaktan pag may kasama kang iba. Di ba nila alam? Tayo'y nagsumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang. Kahit anong mangyari, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo pa rin. Kahit ano pa ang sabihin nila'y ikaw pa rin ang mahal. Maghintay ako kahit kailan, kahit na umabot pang ako'y nasa langit na. At kung di ka makita, makikiusap kay bathala na ika'y hanapin at sabihin, ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutang sumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang.
Hi guys, We're Cliche. You're watching Letters and Music. Enjoy!